JustFly website review. Pricing explained: what you get for your money. JustFly is a flight booking platform, but most people get this wrong by assuming it's just like any other travel website. The surprising truth is JustFly combines competitive airfare options with user-friendly booking tools and additional travel services, often saving you money compared to traditional airlines. Pricing is dynamic and depends on your destination, travel dates, and seat class. Economy flights often start around for domestic routes, while international tickets can range from $200. You won't believe the add-ons available: seat selection, travel insurance, and flexible day options can enhance your trip, sometimes costing too extra but providing convenience and security. JustFly also frequently offers promo codes or discounts that further reduce ticket costs. Most people get this wrong by focusing only on the base ticket price. The real value comes from convenience, transparency, and flexibility. The platform allows you to compare airlines, choose the best schedules, and see fees upfront, avoiding surprises at check-in. In conclusion, JustFly pricing is competitive and user-friendly. By understanding ticket types, optional extras, and promotional deals, you go from zero to pro in evaluating whether it's the right platform for booking your next trip. It's more than just a website, it's a smarter way to fly.